Here in Spokane, we have one of the busiest and most experienced robotic heart surgery practices in the country. We have patients coming from Alaska and Hawaii and Seattle and Portland to have their heart valves and some other surgeries dealt with using the robot. Robotic-assisted surgery it's a tool that we use where instead of cutting through the middle of the chest and dividing the sternum like we typically do in heart surgery, we can place small instruments between the ribs to perform heart surgery. We sit in a console where we can see a three-dimensional image of what we're doing and control the arms that way. Our hands are large and require big incisions, and so this allows us to access places with smaller instruments and do the same quality of work, but just with less invasive procedures.